Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can use Bluestack on your PC. Now before I teach you how you guys can use it, let me show you guys how you guys can download Bluestack first, alright? And for those people who do not know what Bluestack is an emulator which allows us to run mobile on our PC. And why we want to run mobile on our PC is because there are some apps which only runs on mobile. So it is not available for PC. So in order to use those kind of apps and to play those kind of games available in mobile, you need to download and use Bluestack, alright? So let me show you how to download it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, search for Bluestacks. Once you search for Bluestacks, you can see download Bluestacks, click on it. It's gonna take you to the downloading page, and over here you can click on download Bluestacks 5 over here. Once you click on it, it's gonna start to download. Once it downloads, you want to install it. Now once you install Bluestack, there's gonna be two of this little icon which is gonna appear on your desktop. Now do not click on this, alright? You don't need to click on this. You want to click on this, but do not delete this, alright? You don't need it, but it has settings required for Bluestack. So click on Bluestack 5 and your Bluestack should open up. Now if your Bluestack is running for the first time, your screen size might not be on landscape, it might be on portrait. I changed it through setting and I'm going to teach you how to do that as well, alright? So wait for some time until it opens up, and once Bluestacks open up like this, you can click on this little gear icon over here to go into the setting of Bluestack. And over here, this is the setting. You can change your display over here from portrait to landscape over here. You can go to graphics to change its setting, audio, gamepad, all these settings are over here. But remember, after you change something, make sure you click on save changes, because if you don't, then it's not going to be saved, alright? So this is the settings section, alright? So if you have known about that, then basically this is like how your mobile screen is going to look like. If you want to download any games or app, you can just go on Play Store and log in into your Google account first. But since I've already logged in into my Google account, it's gonna automatically load up over here. Over here on search, you can search for anything. So I'm gonna search for a game called Free Fire. No, I'm gonna search for PUBG, alright? So let me search for it. After you search for the game, you can see the install button. Click on it and your game will start to install. And if you want to uninstall it, just click on cancel and your installation will be cancelled, alright? And once the game has installed, the game icon is gonna appear on your home screen over here. You can just click on it and it'll open up. So for an example, let me open Cash App. It's gonna open up just like this, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Bluestack. And if you want to uninstall a program in Bluestack, let me teach you. Just hold on the icon for some time, click on uninstall and click on OK, and your app will be uninstalled, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can do it as well. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Bye bye.